If your Spotify app is crashing currently, in today's video, let me show you the few steps that you can follow. Now, the immediate solution that you can try out is try to remove the Spotify app from the recent app list. So close the application and then try to see if this fixes the issue. If the issue still persists, then what you can do is also try to restart your device. Sometimes your phone has glitches, so once you restart it, this might solve the issue. But however, if you're still facing issues, then what you can do is open up the Play Store or the App Store, search for Spotify, and make sure that the app is updated. Apart from this, what you can try out is also try to clear the app cache of Spotify. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache option. Once you complete these few steps, you should be able to fix the Spotify app crashing error. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. That's gonna be all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video.